All right, good afternoon. We are looking at US 2000. Happy weekend. What we can see clearly is that US 2000 has been on on an uptrend, and now it got to this particular area. Um, it created a high, right? Let's get at the 1 hour. So it was going up, going way up. Look at it. It has been going up, going up, going up. Then it came to this particular point here, and you can see this perfect doji here. This particular candlestick pattern, right? So it formed this particular candlestick pattern here, which signaled like a temporary downtrend. Now you can see this is like the previous high. Now it could not create a new high. Now this is the next high here. So this high is lower than this high, which is signaling a downtrend, right? So you can see that there's what we have right now is a downtrend, Abby. Now so right now it's currently on a downtrend, but there's a likelihood that it might still push up. So let's go to the 15 minutes and look at areas where we are looking to probably enter our trades. Now, if you want to sell, two things are likely to happen. You can see what happened here. This trend line has been acting as a resistance. You can see areas where price hits it here and price went down, right? It hit it here and price went down. Now it's testing it again, so there's a probability that price will still go back down. But this area is kind of small. If for a sale, if you really want to enter a sale, you want to be looking at entering your sale around this area. This is where you really want to enter your sale. So on the 15 minutes, if price is able to break and close below this verified support, you want to go in for a sell and take your first take profit at 1974.3. So if price is able to break and close below this verified support, on the next candle you want to go in for a sell. So like I said, you can either sell here once you see a bearish candle forming, but this is where I think is the ideal this is the ideal place that you should be looking to do what to sell, right? So that is that for the sell. Like I said, if price is able to break and close below this verified support, like I will always say, break and close. Normally when there is a high impact event, is better to use break. It's better to use break. But when there is maybe market is just moving normally, you want to use like break and close, right? So if it's break, maybe you want, now see where I set my alert. I set my alert maybe somewhere here. So basically I'm just waiting for price to get to that point. So when price gets to that particular point of my alert, I'll start looking at the charts from that particular moment, right? So if I want to set an alert, I just take my mouse cursor. Let's say I want to set my alert around here. Now I'll take my mouse cursor, put it where I want to set my alert, right click, go to trading and click on alert. Shaking now. That's it. That's all. I can drag it down. Basically what this alert is going to do for me is that once price gets to those levels, to now make me go back to my chart to come and look at what I think is going to happen. You can also get alerts on your phone. You can also get alerts on your phone as well. I'll be releasing a video on that one later. So basically on my sale, if price starts getting around here, I'll start watching the chart and I'll be looking to enter a sale once price gets in this region, breaks below this verified support. There's a verified support at 1982.1. You can see that. Look at it here, 1982.1. So if price breaks it and closes below it, I will enter on the next candle and take my profit at 1974.3. If price breaks it again, I'll take my second take profit at 1967.1. For the buy on this particular instrument, for the buy, if price is able to break above this untested resistance, if you can break above this untested resistance, on the next candle I want to take my buy on the next candle and be looking to take my profit at 2006.9. I'll take my buy after price breaks this untested resistance. On the next candle I take a buy and place my take profit at 2006.9. That is my take for US 2000.